Sasha, what do you have there?
A bear.
Your bears? Can you count them in Spanish for Mama?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve.
And?
Yes.
Good job! I like your bears. What colors are they? We have yellow, green, 2 purples, a red, a pink, another green, and a blue. Do you love your bears, honey?
I don't know what to hold it.
Hey, Sasha, where did we get those bears?
Those.
Where did we get the bears, honey? Can you share with Zach?
Hand water.
Oh, you gave him the purple one this time. Well, that's because you got 2 of these. Whoops. Hey, Sasha, where did you get those bears?
Those.
No, where did we get them? What store did we get the bears at?
Mommy, get them.
Yeah, Mommy get them, but what store? And Papa too, but what store did we get them?
At the store.
At the store? What's the name of the store?
A piece of stuff.
Is it Walmart?
Yeah.
Were we at Walmart?
Yeah.
Yeah! And did you get the bears because you were a good girl at Walmart? What did you do at Walmart, Sasha?
No.
What did you do at Walmart?
This is stuff.
Did you sit in the cart like a good girl? Hey! We don't color on the table. Do you want a coloring book?
Okay.
Okay.